Many people are unsure when the IRS actually starts accepting tax returns, especially if they've already prepared or submitted one through tax software. In this video, we'll explain when the IRS begins accepting returns, what happens before that date, and how to think about early filing calmly, so the process feels clear rather than confusing. When the IRS starts accepting returns, it means its systems are officially open to receive and process tax filings for the new tax year. This start date is announced each year by the IRS, applies primarily to electronic returns, signals the beginning of active processing. Before this date, the IRS is not processing returns, even if they've been prepared elsewhere. Understanding this definition is the foundation for everything that follows. Before the IRS opens its systems, several things are happening behind the scenes. During this period, tax software companies finalize updates. Employers and payers finish sending forms. The IRS completes system testing and updates. Some returns may be prepared and even submitted to a holding queue, but they are not reviewed or processed until the official start date. This waiting period is intentional and happens every year. If a return is submitted before the IRS begins accepting returns, it is typically held by the software provider or electronic filing system. Once the IRS opens, these queued returns are released. Processing begins in batches. Acceptance notifications are sent. Submitting early does not usually change a return's position meaningfully. Processing order is influenced by multiple factors beyond submission time. The IRS uses a fixed opening date to ensure consistency and accuracy. This approach allows time for final rule updates, form revisions, system-wide alignment. Without a defined start date, errors and inconsistencies would increase. The goal is stability, not speed. Many people believe filing before the IRS opens leads to faster refunds. Early filers are processed first. Waiting means falling behind. In reality, processing speed depends on completeness, accuracy, verification requirements. Timing alone is rarely the deciding factor. The IRS opening date is best understood as the start of processing, not a deadline or a race. It marks the point when the system begins working through returns, not when you must act. Understanding that removes unnecessary pressure. Before we close, it's important to note that this video is for educational purposes only. This information is not financial or tax advice. Tax situations vary, and you should always consider consulting a qualified tax professional regarding your specific circumstances. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a like. Every like we receive inspires us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. We hope you have a blessed day.